Hi everyone. If you've ever pitched the same journalist twice and then completely forgotten what they like or what they prefer, welcome to the club. In this video, I'll show you a dead simple beginner friendly system to track journalist preferences so every pitch feels smarter and not random. All you need is a spreadsheet or a notes doc. That's it. Let's get started. Here is how to build your journalist brain. Think of this sheet as your external brain because no one remembers everything. You can create columns like journalist name, publication, what they usually cover, where they hang out, if they are more active on email or Twitter or LinkedIn. Then you can also add what they like in pitches and then a column that says random notes. Yes, random notes is a very important column. Let's understand what counts as a preference. Preferences are just patterns where you track things like does a particular journalist love data or opinion? Do they like long explainers or like quick news hits? Or do they reply to short emails or detailed ones? If they keep quoting experts, they want opinions. And if they keep sharing stats, they want numbers. So, in this approach, you need no mind reading, it's all based on facts. Now, the question is where to find these clues? All the clues are hidden in a plain sight. You can check their last 3 to 5 articles, their social posts, their bio or contact page, and if they say no press releases, believe them because that's not a suggestion. Next is a very important point, which is once you have created this sheet, you also need to update it because you don't of course need a novel here. After any interaction with any journalist, you can add one line like they like short emails or they asked for data, or maybe you can add a comment that says didn't respond to product pitch. This literally takes 10 seconds and saves you from repeating same mistakes. Talking about the mistakes, there are some common ones that people do um, usually, and some of them are tracking 20 columns. So they eventually cluster their sheet, they don't organize it, and then you end up tracking 20 columns at once. Second mistake is that you never update it and you treat it like a CRM. You need to understand that it is a memory aid. This sheet that you have created right there is a memory aid and not a science project. Let me also tell you why it actually works, like creating this sheet and organizing everything. How is it actually beneficial, or if it is actually beneficial? So, when you pitch someone based on their preferences, you stop sounding like a stranger, and journalists can tell that. This is how beginners slowly start pitching like pros. So, important thing is to start simple, stay consistent, add notes like a normal person. You don't need tools, you need awareness. So, I wish you a very best of luck with your pitches because now you have organizing idea and this unique approach. So, I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.